The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G has officially arrived, and it feels like Samsung is finally blurring the lines between its premium S series and the mid-range S series. At first glance, the most striking change is the design. Samsung has managed to shave the thickness down to just 6.9 mm and drop the weight to 179 grams. When you hold it, the difference is immediate. It feels incredibly light and sleek compared to last year's model, yet it retains a premium glass build and, for the first time in this series, a full IP68 water and dust resistance rating. The display remains a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel with a butter-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. While the size hasn't changed, the bezels are noticeably slimmer, and the peak brightness has been boosted to a whopping 1900 nits. This makes a world of difference when you're using the phone outdoors under direct sunlight. Samsung's new Vision Booster technology works behind the scenes here to ensure colors stay vibrant and contrast remains sharp, even in the harshest lighting conditions. Under the hood, we're looking at the new Exynos 1680 chipset. While it's still a 4nm processor, the real story is in the efficiency and the NPU performance, which is up by over 40%. This extra power fuels the awesome Intelligence Suite, bringing flagship-grade AI features like circle-to-search, voice transcription in the Recorder app, and advanced AI photo editing tools to a much more accessible price point. To keep things cool during heavy gaming or multitasking, Samsung also increased the vapor chamber size by 13%. Meaning less thermal throttling than we saw in previous generations. On the camera front, the hardware looks familiar with a 50MP main sensor, a 1:MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro, but the processing has received a major overhaul. Thanks to the improved image signal processor ISP, shot-to-shot delay has been cut down significantly, and low-light Nightography for both photos and video is visibly cleaner with less noise. It's not just about the hardware anymore, it's about how the software handles the data, and the A57 produces much more consistent, punchy results across the board. Battery life continues to be a strong suit, with a 5000 mAh cell that easily lasts 2 days for the average user. It supports 45W super fast charging to 0.0, which can get you from 0 to 60% in about 30 minutes. Perhaps the most impressive part of the package, the long-term value. Samsung is promising 6 years of Android OS upgrades and security updates. Starting at $550, the Galaxy A57 5G, in just a minor refresh, it's a refined, AI-capable powerhouse that makes a very compelling case for skipping the flagship and going mid-range instead.